I've got a framing project I'm working on. I'm going to try and use an Ikea Ribba Frame, 12 by 16. Here's the frame. It can either fit a 12 by 16 or an 8 by 10 in the mat. And it's got a nice deep profile. I'll pull all these tabs back. The other thing to note is that the plexiglass has a thin film on it to protect it from dust and scratches, so you got to remember to peel that off before you display it. The frame's constructed of MDF, medium density fiber board, I think it stands for. So here's my new print. It's a Giclee print I just had made at my local printer. It's on really thick Hahnemule photo rag paper. I cut off the corners of an old envelope to use to hold the picture. That way I don't have to put any tape on them. So I got all my corners on. They're very not perfect, but oh well. Now let's show you what it looks like. And there we have it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments.